Oh, Sanders, it's so good to see you here. You look amazing, team. Well done. Christmas presents for kids in care. This is what it's all about, as you guys well and truly know.
Hey guys, and welcome to Pete The Surfaroo. We're here with Jane. How are you?
Good, thanks.
We've got a big day today. All the Santas have rocked up for a record for the jet skis. Tell us a bit about what's going to go on.
So it's a fundraiser for Christmas presents for kids in care.
Yep.
And it's our biggest fundraiser of the year. This year we've got 250 jet skis registered, some with one rider, some with two. We're going to head out at 9 o'clock and we're going to go down towards Chevron Island, and in that section the Guinness World Record will be, and we're registered and there'll be people clicking and making sure the count is going ahead. And then after that we'll have the fun line bit, which will go all around Chevron Island and back again to the beach just under the Sundown Bridge.
That's great. So we're looking for a record around about 250?
Yeah, so the record stands at 129, so we want to break that basically.
Yeah. We'll do it here.
Yes, definitely.
Here on the Gold Coast, always the go.
Yeah.
Great speaking to you. I know you're busy, Santa. You got lots of presents to deliver out there on those jet skis.
Yeah.
Okay, see you guys. Woo!